Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this CUSIMAX electric and smokeless grill that this brand sent to me for this video review. And I want to show you what's inside of the box, how to use it. We're going to test it out with some chicken maybe or some meat. I don't know yet. But first of all, I gotta tell you, this is a really nice thing to have at home if you're in places like in a small apartment or a house that has like the kitchen incorporated to the living room, because it's a smokeless and have a technique that actually works really good. It has an extra large surface, it has an LED temperature display, and you can adjust it up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. So that's a lot. Let's see what you get out of the box and how to use it as well. So that's it. Out of the box, you're gonna find for sure the lid, which is insulated. It has kind of like a rubber right here, which is insulated. I think that's great. You're gonna find the grill plate right here, which is super easy to clean since it's non-sticky. And you're also gonna find for sure the instruction manual, which is super easy to follow. A pair of tongs that is included, so that's something really cool. And you're also gonna find the heating pad right here, the insulation pan right here as well, and the water drip right here. You have a layer for the water that you're gonna use for the non-smokeless thing. So that's actually great. That's something that separates this one from others, because you just need to add some water in it, and that's why it's gonna be smokeless. So let's actually put it to work and see how we're gonna cook today. So the first thing you need to do is put some water right here on this tray. You can actually remove the upper parts, like the upper sections right here, and you can add water from the top, or you can just take the tray with you, fill it with water, and just slide it right here on the bottom part. I prefer this way. I think you gotta be more careful for sure, but I think that's easier. And then you just turn it on, plug it in, turn it on. You're gonna see that right now. So you turn the power on, and now it's on. You set up the temperature. We're gonna put it in, I think we're gonna put it in 320 Fahrenheit, and that's pretty much it on this section. It's gonna start heating up until it reaches the actual temperature that you set before, and then we're gonna turn on the fan. But in the meantime, we're gonna put some chicken patties right here. They're not gonna be cooking right now because it's kind of like not heat right now, not hot right now. So we're gonna put 3 chicken patties. I'm gonna put 4. Actually, I'm gonna see if I can put 4, because this is kind of like a large surface, I have to say. You can put steak if you want. You can put patties. You can put veggies. You can put many other things. So it's kind of defrosting right now. We're gonna close the lid, which I was saying before, it's insulated with the rubber in the actual lid. And now it's all set. And we're gonna also turn on the fan. So now it's kind of halfway there, and we just turn on the fan as well. You have a fan feature right here, so that's something super cool. And now let's actually let it cook. It's a 320 already, and you can see that it's cooking. I'm gonna put my microphone right here so you can actually hear it. It's cooking really well, and as you can see, not a single drop of smoke, not at all, no smoke at all. The actual fan is kind of quiet, I have to say. It's not any loud, so that's actually really cool to put this in your kitchen. If you're watching TV or something, you can actually still do that. So I'll let it cook still, so when I come back in a few minutes. So the other thing that I like is about the lid, because it's transparent since it's glass, so you can actually see through, and you don't actually need to pay too much attention to it. So let's put it on this side right now. You can see they are cooking perfectly in each one of the sides, and as you can see, it's kind of like very even. The heat dissipation is very even, it's not uneven, so that's something super cool. And again, this is a non-sticky metal plate, like the grill is non-sticky, so that's something super cool to actually clean after this. So let's let it cook for a few more minutes, and then that's gonna be pretty much it. Well, this is almost done. You pretty much get the idea. It is super easy to use, as you can see. Smokeless, no smoke at all, nothing here, so that's pretty cool. You can set it up to 450 Fahrenheit. You can see that I'm putting my hand right here, and it's not super hot. You have a fan as well. You have a smart digital display right here. You have the lid, which is insulated and you can see through. It is super easy to use, but also super easy to clean. I like it for sure. Thumbs up. I do recommend it. I highly recommend it. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.